Samsung Galaxy A8, 2018, is not a successor to a particular A-series phone. It's more of a trimmed Galaxy S8 version for the masses with matching design, screen, and the current number 8. Or so Samsung would have us believe. Indeed, Samsung is changing its naming convention once again. While before the number denoted the physical size of the phone in the mid-range class, now it has come to show the generation it comes in, and we're up to Gen 8 if the S and Note series serve as any guidance. That's not to say that the Galaxy A8, 2018, doesn't have a predecessor. It's the Galaxy A5, 2017. And the new phone is an upgrade in almost all respects except perhaps for the main camera. Visually, the A8 is indeed closer to the S8. The similarly shaped and sized curved glass sandwich design, the AMOLED screen, and the fingerprint on the back are some of the features which show the close relation between the Galaxy A8 and the S8. There is even a notable selfie upgrade. The A8 now comes with a dual camera at the front with a variety of effects, including portrait photos with defocused background. The Galaxy A8, 2018, seems like a thoughtful alternative to the headliner without losing much of the S8's charm. And if the price is right, then Samsung may have done an excellent S8 Lite model.